Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the world? Join us as we unreveal the top 5 most hidden facts about Solana that even seasoned investors might not know. Fact number 1, Founder's Forethoughts. Did you know that Solana's founder Anatoly Yakovenko had a vision for the blockchain that was influenced by his time at Qualcomm? While most know Solana for its speed and scalability, few are aware that these features are inspired by the telecommunications industry's optimization and scheduling techniques. Jacobico expertise in compression, algorithm, and understanding of time synchronization across mobile tower led to the development of the innovation proof of history consensus. Fact number 2, the Solana wormhole. Behind typical blockchain operations, Solana holds a lesser known feature called the wormhole, a cross-chain bridge connecting Solana with several other top blockchains. The bridge enables users to seamlessly transfer assets between different networks without a centralized exchange, thus solving a significant interoperability challenge in the crypto domain. This feature could dramatically change how assets move across the crypto ecosystem in the future. Fact number 3, energy efficiency Enigma. In the wake of environmental concerns surrounding cryptocurrencies, Solana presents an unconventional stance. It's not widely advertised, but Solana prides itself on being one of the most efficient blockchain. According to reports, an average Solana transaction consumes less energy than 2 Google searches, make it an enticing option for environmentally conscious investors. Fact number 4, Secret Cell, the Solana sea level simulator. One existing and hidden aspect of Solana is its sea level, a highly sophisticated parallel processing engine that can run transactions concurrently, akin to how a GPU works. This processing innovation is the backbone of Solana's unprecedented throughput and aid in maintaining lower transaction fees as network scales. Fact number 5, partnering with the big game. Inside the world of online gaming, Solana is teaming up on a cool project called Star Atlas. It's a new kind of video game that's being made using Solana's technology, and it's pretty special because it let players own a part of the game in a way that it can't be taken away or copied. This part of Solana's story doesn't get talked a lot, but it's really important. It shows that Solana is strong enough to support big and detailed games and could change how we think about video games and the internet money that goes with them. What's your take on Solana's hidden facts? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.